Morning Year 2, welcome to Thursday's Fast 5 video. So let's go through the questions. Number 1, something add 14 equals 20. Number 2, 47 add 38 equals something. Number 3, 90 subtract 45. Number 4, 7 times 10. Number 5, 5 add 3 add 7. And the challenge, 5 times 4 is the same as what adds 17? So if you pause me now. Okay, so if you're back, then you should have worked out the answers. You should be ready to go to mark them. So number 1, something add 4 is 20. We know our number bonds to 20. We know that 16 add 4 is 20. And number 2, 47 add 38. There are so many different ways you could have done this. You could have done the 40 and the 30, so the 10s, added them together, which gives you 70, and then you could have done the 7 and the 8, so the 1s, and added those, which gives you 15. Then you've got 70 and 15, add together is 85. If you didn't do it that way, you could have done 47, add on the 8 from 38, which gives us 55, and then you could have added the 10s on, which is 30. 55 add 30 is 85. The last way you could have done, if you're a super whizzy mathematician, you might have seen that you could take 2 from the 47 and give it to the 38, which gives you 40. And then you would have had 45, add 40, which gives you 85. Number 3, something equals 90, subtract 45. Now remember, we can put our equal sign anywhere along our equation. It doesn't have to go at the end before the answer. So it's really important that we know that that just means we're doing 90 subtract 45. And whatever is before the equal sign, it's the same. 90 subtract 45 is 45. You might know your doubles. You might know that double 45 is 90, so you might have worked it out that way. You might have done 90 subtract 5 is 85, and then subtract 40, which is 45. Number 4, 7 times 10. You should know your times table, so you should know that is 70. And number 5, 5 add 3 add 7. Now remember, we are looking for those pairs of numbers that give us our number bonds, or a fact that we know. And I can see there I've got 3 and 7, and that gives us 10. The other number I've got left is 5. 10 and 5 is 15. And then the challenge question, 5 times 4 is the same as something, add 17. 5 times 4 is 20. What do we add to 17 to get 20? To make it balanced, we add 3. Well done. Let me know what you got. I'm really looking forward to seeing your scores, and I'll be back tomorrow with more Fast 5.